Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can download VLC Media Player on your Android and how you can give it the permissions to secure all of your files and videos. Welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem, whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial. We're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do is go to your Play Store, click on the Play Store, and at the top of the screen, you will see the search icon. Click on the search icon and click go for VLC Media Player, the second option. From here you can see the VLC for Android. Just click on install and it will start installing. It's just 32 MB, so it shouldn't take much time. As you can see, the app has been installed. Click on open or just go to your home screen and there you will find the app. Once you open up the app, it will tell you to grant permission. Click on grant permission, click on OK. The settings will appear. Click on allow access to manage all files. Go back and go to mandatory preferences, internal memory, and let me just go for only internal memory. Go back and there you go. All of your files, videos, and camera chats has been appeared here. Camera rolls has been appeared here. And that was it for today. That is how you install and manage VLC Media Player for Android. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.